28865 Alton, Wickliffe, Ohio. Great neighborhood. This is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath with siding. It has a newer roof. 1-car garage with a little side there. This property also has a air conditioner. There you go, central air. And you can see how nice the roof is. It also has a nice big backyard. Close to downtown. Really nice setup. So let's go inside. On this one. And so this one is refinished wood floors. We just painted it. It has newer blinds, plugs, and switches, and lights throughout. Nice open floor plan. 2 first floor bedrooms. So those are really nice. New lights, plugs, and switches here. And another bedroom. Again, the floor is redone. Paint, plugs, and switches, and newer blinds. And this, and your bathroom is right here on the first floor, one of them. So you can see we just finished this with a paint, a 3-part process. It's not cheap and it'll last you 10 years. It's a really nice setup. And then we have the kitchen, which we just redid the countertops. It's beautiful. Again, a new 3-part process, 10-year guarantee. It is gorgeous. I have them in my own house. Backsplash, eat-in kitchen. And we have a nice big bedroom. All the appliances stay too. Nice big bedroom up here. So you see you have like maybe a little office area, and you have a huge bedroom up here. I mean, it's big. There's all the plugs and switches, just a ton of room to do whatever. If you want privacy or you have kids, great place to put them. Or you can make your master and make a little office here. Then we have a basement here. Let's go downstairs. And there's your little half bath. We put in a new toilet and a vanity there. It's a nice area. And then you have another, if you want a bedroom, call it a bedroom, or a place you can store, newer electrical box, nice electrical box. And then you have a very big area you can do with whatever, glass block windows. Nice area, big. I'll put a rec room down here, whatever you want to do. You have a carrier heater. Just a whole other laundry room, cabinets, everything you would expect in a house like this. And it's really a nice house. Won't last. Willowick. This is the end of your virtual tour. Thanks. Have a good day.